Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I think that's a 10 by 10 inch canvas. I'll tell you in a second. Yes, it is. And I like it, and I hate it, and I like it, and I hate it. But I want to use it to play with. It's going to be a little tenuous because I've got hardware on there already. But I'm going to put some more white pillow paint into my refuse scrape dish, and maybe a little black as well, just because I can. It does not matter to me what colors are there right now. I am going to put some cell activator into the black and blow it around, and put some black cell activator into the white. And blow it around. Let those two things settle for a minute. And then see what I can do as far as transfers go. I'll be able to turn this around. I'd just like to make it a little more interesting. I think I lost some of my cells there. So I might want to blow on that again. Might want to put some more white cell activator in there again. Let it rest or come up. Maybe some black in the black again. Oh yeah, that's better this time. See what I can do. Maybe a different palette knife. Something a little smaller. I have some gold cell activator in here also. I was really tempted to just pour it off. And I could still do that, I suppose. Because I kind of like the patterns that are in it right now. Just use my little dish. That's kind of better than it was, in my opinion at least. Blowing to get rid of the bubbles, expose some colors. Pretty sure we can make a few patterns. I have been using my spatula to modify things. And I'm very curious about doing more of it. Space Bloom. And it is a dry canvas, so that does look a lot too much like a freaky creature, actually. Let's grab some of that. Kind of want to put some gold in there. I like a lot of things about this now. It didn't take much for me to fall in love. Just using my leftover paint, which I do recommend. I don't know that I want to do that much else. I might just decide that this is something funky and cool as it is. Could be a short video, very short. Yeah, well, okay then. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going, didn't take much. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to help me keep doing what I do, find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and if you use it to make a donation, you'll You'll be actually invited to join in the monthly drawing because of that. And you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video. I know, I didn't do much, but I got rid of some of the area that was bothering me and replaced it with something that's not bothering me. Maybe I'll call this video Not Bothering Me Anymore. I'm going to have to find a couple lids and put them under where the hardware is not, which should be forward, top, and bottom. I'm going to zoom in real quick. I'm sure there's another video. I'll have to check and see. Let's go down here. So it's just, it's more lyrical now than it was. And it was bugging me before. So I love you guys. I hope you come again. I have 2,400 videos. If you give me a thumbs up, it makes me smile. When you share my videos, it helps me out. When you watch them longer, it helps me out. When you watch commercials, it helps me out. I will be torching for a moment, even though there's pillow paint in there. I will also be looking for bubbles, even if I don't torch, which would probably be wise on my part to not torch. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. My 2 books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and Spring Clothing under the video is mine. If you're ever looking for one of my designs from a video to be added to Pixels.com, Far North America, Legallerist, Society 6. I know there's more. I'm reading and having a brain cramp. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. So if you want to get in touch with me, underneath the link tree is my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. So this was a cool part too. It didn't take much, and I didn't go outside the color family much. There was a little bit of magenta from golden mixed into some cell activator that was in that dish when we started, and not a whole lot else. There was some gold. Not a lot of that either. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you guys. Come again soon.